This video is for the daily maintenance of your tornado oven. To begin, make sure that the oven is in the off position and it's cool. It'll be nice and cool inside. To start, this bottom plate, it fits on snugly. Just grab it on both sides and give it a tug, and it'll pull off. Next, we'll open the oven cavity, and we're going to move the configuration. This is the raised rack configuration. We'll start by removing the stone. Place that off to the side, and then the rack lifts out straight and back. The second configuration is what we call the recessed rack configuration. To remove this, just grab hold of the metal rack and pull it down. Be careful not to damage the stone. The third configuration is a rack only, and to do it, just simply pull the rack out. To clean the stone, don't submerge in water or use any liquids on there because it has potential to get into the stone since it's porous and can crack. So I'm using a dough scraper, and I'm just going to gently get some of this debris off. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to crack the stone. And that looks pretty good. Next we'll be cleaning the interior of the oven. I'm using a damp cloth and Turbo Chef oven cleaner. I'll spray that onto the cloth and wipe all the surfaces. This lifts. Be careful not to apply pressure to the waveguide caps, but get in between and around. Allow the cleaner to penetrate for about 5 minutes. Make sure you cover all surfaces. After 5 minutes, some of the stubborn stains can be taken with one of these green 3M pads. Again, we're going to go over all the surfaces. Lift the elements again, being careful not to go near the two waveguide caps. Just go around. If there's anything on there, wipe gently, but with no pressure. After cleaning, take a second damp towel and wipe all the surfaces to make sure that you get all of the cleaner and any debris from the oven. Now that the oven is clean and dry, we're going to use our Turbo Chef guard and apply it to a damp cloth. And this will help prevent stains. And we're going to cover all of the surfaces. Now we'll be ready to reassemble. We're going to reassemble, this time with our recessed rack configuration. If you notice, the wire rack has a bend here. That bend needs to be in front. This needs to go over the two tabs in the back. You place it and just allow it to slide down and go into place. We'll take our stone, slide it in gently, place it down, and we're done. To reassemble with the rack only configuration, again, make sure that the rack goes in and then over the 2 tabs in the back, and we're finished. For the raised stone configuration, we'll just place it on over the tabs in the back, let it rest, and place the stone on the rack. Close the door. Now to replace the bottom panel, there are 4 tabs. I line them up. Flip. Oops, I did that upside down. Line them up and just back into place. To finish, we're going to take another clean towel, spray some stainless steel polish, and really shine up the outside. Handles, front door. All the exterior surfaces. Now our oven looks brand new and ready to roll.